Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you a new functionality in Mesh Morpher which allow us to use mesh files, OBJ or FBX files, even though we change the vertex order in them, right? So as a main requirement for this functionality to create from FBX or OBJ files is that both base file and morph file need to have between them the same vertex count and order, right? So sometimes with several tools in external software like Blender, ZBrush or Maya, the order might get changed. So we try to improve this in Mesh Morpher to help users that either by mistake change the order or they don't know how to preserve it, right? So let's test it out, right? So first of all, I'm gonna select the base file, and then I'm gonna select an OBJ file with vertex order preserved, right? So this is it. You can see it has some changes around the head area, and let's create a morph target and see how it works, right? So as you can see, this morph target was created without any problem. So now let's test another OBJ file where we didn't preserve the vertex order in Blender, right? So we still have a change around the head, and we're gonna call this test2 and create. Let's see how it goes. So now you can see the problem. We get this scrambled mesh because the order in the morphed OBJ file is different than the base OBJ file, right? So what we can do with version 2.8.8, we can go and enable match by UV. This will match the base file to the morph file by UVs, right? By UVs coordinates, right? So another requirement, we have another requirement for this is that the UVs have to be untouched, right, between these two meshes, but we can change the order. So let's see how this works, right? Let's select match by UV and select test 3. Okay, and let's open test 3. And now you can see that we get the correct results, right? So another thing to account for is that some meshes might have mirrored UVs. So it means that some stuff on the right side might be used from the left side, right? So they share same UV coordinates, right? So if we go to let's unlock transform, right? So we rotate the morphed mesh by 90 degrees on the axis. Let's see how it goes. You will see that because of the mirrored UVs, we get messed up because we check the mirrored UVs if they are on the right side or on the left side. So always make sure that your meshes are facing the same direction, so you don't get screwed by the mirrored UVs, right? So let's test this. This will fail for sure. We still selected match by UV, but everything will fail because we can't check correctly which UV is from the right side or the left side, right? So let's see how it goes. As you can see, we failed. We didn't successfully mesh the base file to the morph file, and we failed everything, right? So it's very important that if you use match by UVs, let's lock back the transform. If you match by UVs, so for example, you messed the vertex order in your morph file and you match by UVs, always make sure that all three meshes are facing the same direction, right? So you know for sure the UVs are calculated correctly. So this is it for this video, guys, and I hope you find this new functionality helpful. I'm trying to get a solution for most of the problems that users are facing when working with Mesh Morpher, and not only with Mesh Morpher. So yeah, this is it. See you around, guys. Bye.